Team, I'm gonna show you how to make a sweet and tasty, maybe a little boozy, sweet potato casserole coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, welcome to my kitchen. Please consider subscribing, hitting that red button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, team, it's that time of year when we're making Thanksgiving dishes, and I'm gonna make one of my favorite side dishes, and I'd almost call it a dessert, but you can fight in the comments. A lot of people like to have it with their meal, their turkey, their stuffing, little cranberry sauce. Don't forget that green bean casserole. Others like to, maybe save it for dessert, and that's a sweet potato casserole. And I tend to make mine nice and sweet, but you don't have to go as far as I do, but it's gonna be amazing. Okay. In order to get this started, we need to roast off our sweet potatoes. Now, I've already done this. I washed off my sweet potatoes. I have 5 of them. It's about 3 pounds worth. Poked holes in it with a fork, and then I roasted them for about 45 minutes in a 400-degree oven. Now, I roast my sweet potatoes because it evaporates some of the moisture in there, enhances some of the sugars in there, and it makes it a little bit more sweet. If you want to boil your sweet potatoes and make them like mashed potatoes, feel free, but I always tend to roast mine. So those are sitting over the side, chilling. I've let them cool down a little bit so I can handle them and scoop out the flesh. But then we're just gonna get over here to the kitchen island and just start working on it. Now, my secret ingredient is a little dark rum. This is some pus, or you use Myers rum, but it's the good stuff. We'll put a couple tablespoons in that. The alcohol will evaporate off in the oven while it's cooking, so you don't have to worry about the little ones getting buzzed at Thanksgiving. Real quick, I wanna go over the grocery list, the things you're gonna need to put in your cart in order to make this dish. Okay, first off, you're gonna need sweet potatoes. You're gonna need 2 eggs, 4 tablespoons of butter, a half a cup of either brown sugar or little dessert shake. Okay, this is from Uncle Steve's Shake. I'll put a link down below. I love this stuff on my sweet, anything sweet. If I'm doing cinnamon toast, I use this. I put this on my vanilla ice cream. It'll blow your mind. But I got about half a cup of that. If you don't have that, grab yourself a half a cup of brown sugar and then maybe about a tablespoon of cinnamon if you feel that and you're feeling saucy. Okay, we have a half a cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 ounces of dark rum. Again, that's optional. If you don't want to put rum in it, you don't have to, but give it a shot. I think you'll like it. Nothing left to do, but let's get started, huh? Come over to the kitchen island and start prepping these potatoes. What do you say? All right, time to get the flesh out of these. We're just gonna cut them in half, and then we're gonna scoop them out with a spoon into another bowl over here. Okay, it's time to prepare this. We have our sweet potatoes out of the skins. Add our half a cup of heavy whipping cream. Whole milk could be substituted. We have our 4 tablespoons of butter. Got our 2 eggs. Of course, you gotta have that rum. We're gonna go about 2 ounces. Last but not least, half a cup of our Uncle Steve's Shake, sweet dessert shake. Here it is right here. All right, next up, we're gonna mix it all together. You can use a potato masher if you want, but I tend to like mine a little bit smoother. Okay, so you'll notice that you lose a little of that vibrant orange color by putting that dark rum in there in the Uncle Steve's Shake. That's okay. Okay, now we got it all mixed. We're gonna add it to a little casserole dish here. We're going traditional with some mini marshmallows on top. Now, we may be going a little traditional with the mini marshmallows on top, but we are not done there. When this is done out of the oven, you're gonna add a little extra something to it, so you're gonna wanna stick around for that, okay? This casserole goes back in the oven. We've already preheated our oven to 350, all right? So remember to preheat your oven for 350. This is going in there for 25 to 30 minutes till the marshmallows are nice and golden brown, but then we're gonna do a little something extra to it. I think you're gonna wanna check it out. I'm excited for this. This is gonna be pretty fun, okay? So stick around. Team, we are done, sort of. Okay, so don't cook off yet. Listen, this is fine the way it is. It's perfectly colored, nice and browned up, completely done. good to go. But this is not how we roll, all right? We want to do a little something extra on this one. We're gonna have some fun with it. I have some Jet Puff marshmallow fluff. I put it in a frosting bag, a little piping bag that Mrs. CJ had laying around. And we're going to pipe some of this fluff on top of this, and we're gonna brulee it. All right, so you've seen that on like meringues and all that stuff. This is a torch I would normally use to brulee or to torch anything or toast anything up, but we're gonna try something a little different. We're gonna head out back and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. All right, team, we're out back. It's late in the day, but I had to come outside because I want to toast up that marshmallow fluff we put on there. And you could use one of these torches, but why use one of those torches when you could use a man-sized torch? This is my GrillGun from Grill Blazer. Listen, this is overkill, but we're having some fun, okay? This is an awesome toy for the pit master in your life. There's a link down below, 10% off code with it. Great Christmas gift. So I thought I'd put it in one of my videos and have some fun with it. I use it on my pits over on the other side over there, but today we're gonna toast up a little marshmallow with it. What do you say? So come on down here and check it out. Team, we're getting ready to toast up some marshmallow fluff on it's my sweet potato casserole recipe, but we're gonna toast up the marshmallows with the Grill Blazer. What do you say? All right, team, we're lit, we're ready to roll. Guys, it was a little too much pressure to just flame throw it on there. I almost blew off half the casserole, so we're just gonna toast it with just the flame that comes out of it. It's like a s'mores. All right, guys, was that a blast or what? I mean, almost literally. That flame came hard, man. But that was pure for fun, just messing around, because some of these videos just get a little too monotonous. So I thought, what the hell, let's fire it up a little bit. And you know, I don't know if you caught, well, if you catch it at the end there, some of the marshmallow kind of caught on fire, like s'mores, right? When you're toasting the marshmallow over the fire pit. That is my favorite part, so I'm okay with that. The thumbnail that you clicked on this is purely just like the normal end result for a sweet potato casserole. So that's where you could stop. But again, if you want to have some fun with it, put some of that marshmallow fluff on there. We're having some fun with it, no big deal. But I got my plate right here. We're gonna take a little bite. Make sure I get a little of that burnt marshmallow on there, because that's, again, my favorite. Oh, so good. I'm telling you, that rum just adds a certain something in there. All right, so don't sleep on it. Use a dark rum, okay? In fact, if you guys are into that Captain Morgan spiced rum, that might be an avenue you want to try. I haven't tried it, so I'm just throwing it out there, but that extra spiced rum might mix well with the cinnamon and whatnot in there, right? It's food for thought, so to speak. That's it for this one. This is a awesome little dish here, very sweet. So like I said, a lot of people like it for their dessert, or the kids think that they're being naughty by having some of it with their dinner, like, oh, I'm eating dessert first, whatever. So it's completely up to you. I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. If you guys want to get one of those Grill Blazer guns, there's a link down below. Fortunately or unfortunately, I am an affiliate, so you check it out. Again, makes a great gift for the pit master in your life, or, you know, just dudes that like to light fire to stuff. So anyway, if you guys want to join CJ's crew here for real on YouTube, hit that join button. But other than that, that's it of this fun one. Hope you guys have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.